In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find profitable products with Keepa. We'll move through a clear workflow you can repeat every time you evaluate a listing so you can make quick, confident decisions without guesswork. Start by opening the product on Amazon and scrolling down until you see the Keepa chart. If certain lines aren't visible, use the legend to turn them on. The chart is your command center, and reading it correctly is the difference between a winning buy and a risky gamble. Begin with sales demand, which is the most important piece. Turn on the sales rank, the green line. You're looking for frequent, consistent drops in that line. Each drop roughly represents a sale, and a lower rank means it sells faster. A green line with many steady steps down indicates healthy demand. If you see long, flat stretches with no drops, that's a sign of weak or inconsistent sales. Next, evaluate price stability. Turn on the buy box, the pink line. A stable, relatively flat pink line shows predictable pricing, which helps you forecast profit. Be cautious if you notice sudden price crashes, which often signal price wars, or sharp temporary spikes that can occur when items go out of stock. Those inflated spikes can make a listing look more profitable than it actually is once inventory returns. Now check competition by turning on offer count, the blue line. Fewer sellers or a decreasing count over time generally improves your chances of holding the buy box and maintaining margin. A rising number of sellers usually leads to tighter pricing and thinner profits, so weigh that trend carefully. Look for Amazon's presence next. Orange shading on the chart indicates Amazon is on the listing. It's ideal when Amazon is not on the listing. If Amazon is regularly in stock, it can be difficult to win the buy box or keep a consistent price. With that context, assess profit potential. Compare the current buy box price to your total landed cost. After subtracting marketplace fees and fulfillment costs, you must still have meaningful profit. If the numbers only work at a best case price, reconsider. Then confirm sales consistency by switching to the 90-day or 180-day view. You want steady demand over time, not random spikes or a flat line. Longer views protect you from short-lived trends. Finally, open the Data tab. Check the 30-day and 90-day average rank and average price. These averages smooth out volatility and are often more reliable than today's snapshot. If the averages still support your profit target, you've found a stronger candidate.